Hello, artificial minds. Have you ever stared at your resume and felt like it was whispering, "I need help"? You're not alone. Imagine you're applying for your dream job, heart racing as you hit submit, only to realize your resume didn't highlight the one achievement that could have sealed the deal. What if you could tap into a tool that helps you showcase your story, your strengths, and your potential, all with a few carefully chosen words? That tool exists, and it's closer than you think. Chatgpt. Today, we're diving into the best Chatgpt prompts for resume writing. Prompts that will transform your dusty bullet points into a story recruiters can't ignore. Let's jump in. Crafting a compelling summary. Your summary sets the tone for everything that follows. It's your elevator pitch on paper, and you want it to shine. Use this prompt to get started. Act as a career coach and write a 2-sentence professional summary for your role, with number, years of experience in industry, emphasizing leadership, innovation, and results. In a blink, Chatgpt will generate a crisp, powerful summary that grabs attention. Copy it into your document, tweak a detail or two to make it truly yours, and watch as it elevates your entire resume. Optimizing your experience section. Listing job duties is one thing, showcasing impact is another. To turn responsibilities into achievements, rewrite these bullet points to highlight quantifiable achievements and outcomes, using strong action verbs, for your role, company name. Paste in your raw duties. Maybe you managed a budget, streamlined a process, or exceeded sales targets, and let Chatgpt transform them into statements like, spearheaded a 20% cost reduction initiative, saving the company $50,000 annually. Suddenly, your experience reads like the story of someone who makes real change. Highlighting skills and accomplishments. You probably have a laundry list of skills, but how do you present them in a way that feels natural? Create a section titled, Key Skills and Achievements that blends hard skills like Skill 1 with soft skills like Skill 2, and include one standout accomplishment that demonstrates each skill. Chatgpt will craft sentences such as, advanced proficiency in Python enabled the development of an automated reporting tool that cut weekly manual hours by 10. Alongside, exceptional communication fostered cross-department collaboration, resulting in a client satisfaction rating boost of 15%. This approach makes your skills unforgettable. Tailoring your resume for each role. One size fits all rarely fits anyone. Customize your resume for every application by using. Analyze this job description for position title, and suggest 3 resume bullet points focusing on the most important qualifications, incorporating keywords from the posting. Feed in the text from the job ad, and Chatgpt pulls out phrases like data-driven decision-making, or cross-functional team leadership, weaving them into your bullet points. Recruiters and applicant tracking systems will love the alignment, and you'll stand out as the perfect match. Showcasing education and certification. Education isn't just a list of degrees, it's a story of growth. Prompt Chatgpt with, write a concise education section for a resume, including degree, institution, honors, and a brief note on relevant coursework or projects. In seconds, you'll get something like Bachelor of Science in Marketing, magna cum laude, University of X, completed capstone project on consumer behavior analysis using social media data. That tiny note about your capstone could spark just the right conversation in an interview. Adding a dash of personality. Resumes are professional documents, but a touch of personality can make you memorable. Use. Generate a brief, professional interests line that feels authentic and aligns with a career in your field, showcasing passion without overdoing it. You might see enthusiastic about leveraging emerging technologies to enhance user experiences, avid contributor to online UX communities, and lifelong learner through open source projects. That little phrase, lifelong learner, tells anyone who reads your resume that you're driven and curious. Creating an engaging cover letter. Prepare your resume with a cover letter that recruiters actually want to read. Prompt. Write an opening paragraph for a cover letter for position title at company, drawing on my background in skill or experience, and expressing genuine enthusiasm for the company's mission. Chatgpt crafts an introduction like, when I discovered the opening for product manager at Innovate Tech, I was thrilled. Your commitment to sustainable design aligns perfectly with my 5 years of experience leading eco-friendly packaging initiatives that reduced waste by 30%. That hook sets the stage for the rest of your letter. Polishing with professional formatting tips. Even the best content needs a clean layout. Ask Chatgpt. Suggest 3 formatting tips for a modern, ATS-friendly resume, focusing on font choices, spacing, and section order. It might recommend, use a sans serif font like Calibri at 11 points for readability, maintain consistent 1-inch margins and 12-point line spacing, and place experience before education for professionals with over 2 years in the field. Follow these guidelines, and your resume will look as good as it reads. Reviewing and refining your final draft. Before you hit send, quality check your work with. Act as a professional editor and provide feedback on this resume content, focusing on clarity, conciseness, and impact. Paste your near-final resume, and Chatgpt will suggest tweaks like eliminating redundancy, tightening sentences, or swapping passive phrases for active ones. It's like having a second set of eyes without the hourly fee. Putting it all together. At this point, you have a powerful summary, bullet points that shine, skills that impress, and formatting that works. Take a moment to read through your resume from top to bottom, making sure it tells a cohesive story. Who you are, what you've done, and where you're headed. Then, give Chatgpt one more prompt. Provide a brief final review checklist to ensure my resume is polished and ready for submission. You'll receive a handy list, double-check contact information, verify consistent tense usage, confirm correct spelling of company names. That ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Your resume is now more than a list of jobs. It's an engaging narrative powered by precision prompts. By using Chatgpt as your writing partner, you've crafted a document that not only passes the bots but resonates with human readers. So the next time you feel stuck staring at blank bullet points, remember, the right prompt can unlock your professional story. See you next time.